Hello everyone, my name is Quincy, I work with SpeedLight support, and in this demonstration video we will be showing you how to sell and purchase land via the parcel management page that we have been working on. In order to begin, you have to have your avatars added to your SpeedLight. I already have done so in my case I will just have to click on my avatar's name to open the summary page of SpeedLight. As we can see, the summary page is opened, and in order to go to the parcel management page I will have to click About Land. As we can see, the About Land page is opened, containing the general information about the parcel, such as the name of the parcel, description, type, rating, who is the owner, which is essentially me, and if the land is for sale or not. Currently this land is not for sale, but I would like to sell this piece of land. And in order to do that, I would have to click Sell Land at the bottom of the page, which will take us to the sell form, where we have to fill out several blanks, such as what will be the price of the land, if we are selling this land to a particular buyer or anyone, and if we are selling this land with the objects or not. I will leave the price on one linden. I will leave also the sell to blank. But if we would like to sell this to a particular buyer, we just have to type their Second Life name in here. And I will click yes, I will sell this with all the objects. Lastly, I will have to click Set Land on Sale. As we can see, currently the land is for sale, and here we can see the price of the land and if the land is for sale for anyone with the objects included or not. Lastly, you can click on Cancel Land Sale to cancel the sale. Now I would like to purchase this land with the other avatar of mine. In order to do that, I will have to go back to my avatars page and make a purchase from the different avatar. This avatar is currently standing at that specific location, which is for sale, so in this case I will have to click About Land once again. As we can see, the land is for sale, and in order to make a purchase I will just have to click Buy Land. As we can see right here, there is general information about the purchase, such as, once again, the name of the parcel, size, region, type, who is the owner, and of course the covenant rules. To finalize the purchase, you have to click I agree to covenant defined above and agree to the rules. Lastly, you just have to click Purchase Land. As you can see, the purchase has been made and there is a new owner of this land. At this point, you can manage this parcel. You can change the name of the parcel, for example, also the descriptions. You can go to parcel options and play around with the permissions. I'm not going to touch anything here. I'm going to leave everything as is. And lastly, I would like to show you how everything looks from the perspective of the graphical viewer, which I already also have opened right here. And as you can see, this avatar is currently standing on that piece of land that has been sold and purchased by the avatars. If I go to About Land, you can see that the avatar that purchased the land is indeed the owner, and everything has happened simultaneously in Second Life. Thank you for watching SpeedLight. Have a great day.